We just killed Loom and Screen Studio. Until now, whenever you needed a screen recording of your product, this is how your afternoon would look like. You'd set up the screen, write out a script, make sure your hair looks perfect, and rehearse the cursor movements, and click through everything perfectly while narrating it in sync. And if you fumble just one step, you'd have to start over. But now, you can simply tell Clueso Agents what you want to record, and it creates your video for you. It opens the right screens on your product and goes through the flow by itself at a clean human pace and records it all for you. Then, it edits the video with perfectly timed zoom-in effects and even adds spotlights to direct attention towards important UI elements. Finally, it polishes the rest of your video with captions, AI voiceovers, and animations while keeping everything on brand. And all it takes is just one prompt. Every other screen recording tool makes you do the recording. Clueso Agents don't.